Hey, hope you guys are doing well. This is Edgar from Solo Marketer, and I'm going to quickly show you how to share your funnel link on system.io, like a different person, they can claim it. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your account, obviously, go funnels, and pick whichever funnel you want to share, and then hover over the three dots, and then click on share. And then you want to copy a link to clipboard. And then you can, send it to whoever. And yeah, they can just, it's a one-click download. So basically on their end, it would look something like this. Like, let's say this is a link that you shared with them. They click, and then as you can see, it shows that it has been added to your account. So if we go to funnels now, right, it has 3. But keep in mind that, especially with free accounts, there's a limit, right? So oftentimes, I've seen this happen many times. People try to claim it, and they've hit the limit and it doesn't get added to their account, and they don't know why. So it looks something like this. So this is like a free account. So let's say they try to claim a 4th funnel to their account. It's just going to be, yeah, now it's actually a good thing. Now it actually says you have exceeded the limit of your plan. It used to be it just opens up this page and that's it, and nothing happens. So keep in mind that, if you share it with someone and they respond to like, I can't, it doesn't work, it doesn't get added, this might be one of like 95% of the time. This is the reason. That's kind of the short version of it. If you have any other questions, comment below and like and subscribe as you do on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.